Hello, my name is Marcus and welcome to 2085 Lambert Drive, Pasadena. In the Casa Grande neighborhood, we are mid-block on a quiet, tree-lined street with birds chirping, well-maintained sidewalks, and no through traffic. Behind me is a beautiful 1927 Tudor with 2,000 square feet, 3 beds, plus an office, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 walk-in closets. Look at this curb appeal. The covered front porch is a great place to enjoy your afternoon sitting and watching the neighborhood. Now we can head inside, and I love this solid, oversized, vintage door as we come inside. Here in the living room, I love the high ceilings, the stained glass light fixtures which are appropriate for the era, and I love these original hardwood floors. These things last forever if you take care of them. Let's take a look at the dining room next. Lots of natural light here, plenty of space to entertain your friends and family. This kitchen has a lot of space for preparing. It's well appointed with stone counters, custom solid wood cabinetry. The range hood is covered, stainless appliances. I love the Bosch dishwasher, which is covered here, and nice drawer pulls. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. This master bedroom is large enough to be another unit if so desired, with a private entrance. It's got high ceilings, high windows with great light and privacy, a walk-in closet, and a full master bath with dual vanity. After you walk through the house, I'll meet you in the backyard. Here in the backyard, we have plenty of space for outdoor dining. We have a nice long private driveway with a gate for added security, 2-car garage, and I love this private courtyard. It's tranquil, wind chimes, fruit trees, succulents, and a nice shaded area to sit in those hot summer days. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please reach out. We would love to hear from you.